Yeah, g'day. G'day, mate. It's Chriso. What I'm doing here is we'll just turn the camera around. What I'm doing here is shooting up this wall. I've allowed a square hole for a wire. The Sparky will be coming on Friday. I'll be finished here. But I'm setting up for him so you can pull a wire. It's going to be a lit up mirror. I've moved the, where are we, there. I've moved the power point so it's a longer distance to the water. I've moved that up. It was about here, but I'm making sure that it's a further distance than what they require. Come back to you shortly. Yeah, quick, turn the radio off, Chriso, so I don't get done for copyright. Quick. Okay, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go a bit higher this time. A bit higher in my niche. Because the family bottles of shampoo and all that sort of thing, with the plunger up, that's the height, like 300, and it's pretty hard to get your fingers in to push down the plunger. So I'm going to make it just a bit higher. I could have gone down a little bit there, come up a little bit with my shelf, but hey, it's no biggie. You always allow, look at that bloody sticking plaster coming off. You always allow a bit. So that's all right. That's a bit much, but no biggie. I'll just fill that with mud or whatever, with old glue if I have any in my bucket, just when I'm knocking off at the end of today. So what I do now is just zap that, go up. I always spread my tile, people. Always. I never spread my wall. Never, never, never. Only if I'm doing mosaic or you know, real small tiles. But I will always spread my tile if they're a bigger tile. Ooh, look at that. Well, I reckon that is a bit arsey. There's no class there, just pure arse. No class. For it to fit like that, people, it wasn't allowed for, it wasn't measured for. The old saying goes, more arse than a herd of buffalo. We're not taking down the cornice in this instance. I'm butting up to the underneath. See you soon.